Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update drivers on your Dell Latitude 7410. If you just set up your PC, the first thing that you're gonna have to do before you install any additional drivers is go to the Start menu, open your Settings application, then go to your Windows Update on the sidebar, to the Windows Updates menu on the sidebar, and then click Check for Updates right here, and let your device check for available updates, and once it finds any, let your device download and install them. It's gonna take some time, so give it a moment. Also go to the advanced options right here, and in advanced options go to optional updates, and if you have any driver updates in this menu, then expand the list of driver updates. Check the checkbox next to the driver updates and click download and install. This will be the most essential driver updates for your computer. Once all the updates are installed, you're probably gonna have to restart your computer maybe multiple times, because some other updates will also require the previous ones to be installed on your computer. Now let's wait until the drivers are installed, or until the updates are installed. Okay, so the updates are finished, are both completed. In my case, I don't have to restart my computer to apply changes, but if you see Restart Now option right here, then once the updates are installed, click on it and let your PC restart to apply changes. After that, we're gonna have to also update some specific drivers. To do so, open your web browser, make sure that you have an internet connection, of course. If you don't, you can also do this thing on a separate device with internet connection. Just so if you are doing it on a separate device, then you're gonna have to search for Dell drivers, find the official drivers and downloads website from Dell. Then you're gonna have to enter your service tag that you can find on the back side of your computer. In my case, it's this one. So just check the back side of your computer for the service tag, and once you find it, enter it into this field. Then then this website will find your computer, and on this page, if you are using a separate device to update your drivers, you're gonna have to select specific drivers option, and here you'll be able to find all the drivers that are available for your device. To download them, hit the checkbox next to the ones that you want to download, then click download selected. And then what you're gonna have to do is transfer all of these exe files to your computer using your USB flash drive, to your Dell computer using this USB flash drive, and then run each one of them. Click continue. Wait for a moment. And once your software is updated, you'll be notified, and then just close this window. Okay, and now otherwise, if you're using this Dell laptop, then instead of downloading updates manually, it would be much convenient for you to do this thing automatically, using this first option that we've seen on this page, automatic updates. So click check for available updates, and you're gonna have to download and install the Dell SupportAssist application. Okay, just click download, then run this launcher, click yes, then let the launcher be installed on your computer. Okay, so after a moment, once the app detects the drivers on your computer, you will see return to the web browser and check the drivers that the app detected, and as you can see, we have 4 different updates for this computer here. You can select the ones that you want to install, or just select each one of them and click download and install, and wait until these drivers are downloaded. And once the updates are downloaded, they will also be automatically installed on your computer. And once everything is installed properly, some of the updates will also require restart. No, sometimes, not always. And then you can also click find other drivers for your system and download some optional drivers here. And now to apply changes, open the start menu, go to power options, select restart, and let your device reboot, and the changes will be applied. And at this point your device is fully up to date. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.